This is my absolute favorite futures trade right now, so hear me out. What's up, guys? Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading. In front of you, we're looking at 3 different spreads. The first one, it's called the fight. ZF against ZN. We're looking at bond futures, interest rate futures. ZF is the 5-year, ZN is the 10-year. The pink is going to be the 5-year against the ultra 10-year. And then the blue, it's going to be the 10-year against the ultra 10-year. The actual duration is going to be 4-year, 7-year, 4-year, 10-year, 7-year, 10-year. The important thing to understand is the pink line, 4-year to 10-year. That's the most amount of duration of any of the 3 charts. So it's 4 years to 10 years. Now 4-year to 7-year is going to be this yellow or fluorescent line. And then 7-year to 10-year is going to be the blue line. Here's the trade, and I hope this makes sense to you. The trade is, if 4-year to 10-year is here, we could see how strong the 4-year to 7-year is, right? 4-year to 7 years up here. The back end of this spread, so the front end would be 4 7s. The back end is going to be 7 10s. Why is 7 10 so unbelievably weak? I'll tell you why. It's the TN. The TN contract is mispriced. Getting short TN contracts against the entire yield curve is a really good, strong position. But in the most simplistic way, with really not that much risk, you could buy ZN and sell TN as a relationship trade. Now, going back about 12 months of data, if we were to put this trade on in a very basic increment and held it until present day, we would be up 4,000 on the 4-7. We would be up $1,700 on 4 to 10. And this spread would be down 2,000. This one is wrong. Not only is the 10-year expensive, notice how these are rallying. That means that the yield curve is rallying. This is a long yield curve position. By the time you watch this video, whenever you watch this video, I bet you that this thing has rallied a ton because the TN is completely mispriced. My name's Jonathan Rose. I'm the owner, Masters in Trading. This is a video on interest rate futures, and this is Bond Edge. Thanks for watching, guys.